choice today with the 2017 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.